Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the temperature. It is 16 outside, 20 in the sun, 22 inside. So what I'm doing today is checking up on these Arboretum Purple Cascade F1. This is just my little test. Just testing my 3 types of compost. Yeah. Just turn it around like that, folks. So yes, these were sown several days ago. And this is, just want to show you all 3 different types. We have Miracle Grow here, premium all-purpose peat-free compost. Then we have J. Arthur's multi-purpose peat-free in the middle there. And at the end, Cocoa Coir. And it looks like these 2 peat-free versions, the J. Arthur's and the Cocoa Coir, have done the best. And you can see the premium one here is a lot woodier. See that there? That is a lot woodier. Yeah, there goes there. And it just doesn't seem to be as much germinating in those. But we'll see. We'll see. This one. So there's, how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So just buy one. The Cocoa Coir peat-free is doing the best, but it's only early on, and the Arboretum, the one in the middle, that has got 1 less, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, so that is probably 50% less. So out of all 3, I would say the Cocoa Coir is definitely doing the best. So yeah, I'll leave the top off now they're sort of germinating. I don't want to damp these off, cold damping off when you get a fungus and you leave them too wet and too damp, and eventually what happens is they end up rotting and collapsing. So I will leave these now. A bit of compost on the root there. I shall leave these now without the lid on, leave the lid off, and that's just a quick catch up. And now to go your Arboretum Purple Cascade F1 Hardy Perennial. So yeah, these might have been a little bit too warm during the day when the sun's been shining on the greenhouse. It says here maximum temperature between 59 and 68 Fahrenheit. They've been getting to probably 70, 72 Fahrenheit. So only slightly stronger. I'm just going to put a little bit more compost on here. See if that helps them. See if it helps these ones. So yeah, if you like my videos, I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. It really does help my videos on my channel. So yeah, if you like them, please do that. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I do really appreciate all your support. And that is part 2 of how to get Arboretum Purple Cascade F1 from Thompson & Morgan. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep well. Thank you. Bye.